Succulents. So many people ask, how do I take care and plant succulents? Succulents are your best friend. Anybody can have a succulent. Here is a book just to give you an example of how many succulents you have to choose from. From agave all the way to Zagapholaceae, you have succulents. And that includes cacti, euphorbia. I mean, you just can't believe how many kinds of succulents there are. Succulents are extremely easy to take care of. The only thing you need to be so careful of is do not overwater. People love their succulents to death, and they die because they're overwatered. I want to show you an example of a succulent that's been overwatered. Here is a succulent pot that I have on my patio, and I leave it out, and it rains. And when it rains in Houston, it pours. So I was looking at it today and feeling, oh my heavens, this is way too wet. So I'm checking my succulents. These all seem, oops, this one. Look, this is what happens if you overwater your succulents. They get mushy and they die. But if that happens, all you need to do is to break it open, let it dry. I would probably break it. No, that's great. Let this dry off, so leave it here. That is, if it doesn't rain. And little roots will come. And when they come, or when that dries off, all you have to do is stick it back into your semi-dry soil, and you will have another succulent. And I'll show you an example of what I did. I took this donkey's tail and I just snipped off a piece. I'll do one for you. And I put it in. I'll show you. This was done maybe 2 or 3 weeks ago. This pot, there they are. So I will take this. It doesn't look too wet. So I will stick it in here. This is how hard this is. And voila, it will grow.